In just one day, US tech stocks lost $1 trillion. Nvidia, a top American tech company known for making AI chips, lost $600 billion in a few hours. No other company in America has ever lost so much. What are the reasons behind all of this? Yes, you're right. DeepSeek R1 model, Chinese new technology. What exactly is DeepSeek, and how is it connected to our future? Stay tuned till the end to find out. DeepSeek is making headlines in the AI industry, and big companies are taking notice. Nvidia, whose stock recently dropped, called it an excellent AI advancement, while Microsoft's CEO called it a big win for technology. But what makes DeepSeek such a big deal? The first major reason is its low-cost training and fast performance. It took only 2,000 of Nvidia's H100 GPUs to train this model in 2 months, costing just $5.5 million. This is far less than what OpenAI spends on training its GPT models. Compared to the huge amounts that US companies spend on training their AI models, this cost is very low. DeepSeek is not just cheaper, it's also fast and accurate. When tested, it performed almost as well as GPT models while providing much faster responses. In AI, inference refers to the time it takes to generate an answer when a user asks a question, and DeepSeek does this very quickly. Its accuracy is also comparable to OpenAI's top models. Jared Friedman, a partner at Y Combinator from Silicon Valley, says that DeepSeek is 45 times more efficient. This efficiency comes from using 8-bit floating point numbers instead of 32-bit, which reduces the computing power needed. It also uses smart compression techniques and can predict multiple words at once instead of just one at a time. DeepSeek uses a technique called the Distillation Mixture of Expert models, which breaks down a big AI model into smaller, more efficient models. This makes it work faster and use fewer resources. DeepSeek achieved something called algorithmic efficiency, proving that building the best AI model doesn't require expensive and powerful hardware. Until now, many believed that AI development required compute supremacy, meaning more GPUs and higher processing power. But DeepSeek and Genius prove this wrong by creating a highly optimized training method that reduces the need for so many GPUs. This breakthrough is one of the reasons why Nvidia's stock dropped, as companies may no longer need to buy as many high-end GPUs for AI training. A former Intel CEO has also stated that he has already started using DeepSeek instead of GPT. He explained that engineering is about working with constraints. When resources are limited, smart solutions must be found. This is exactly what happened with Chinese engineers. Due to the ongoing trade war between China and the US imposed bans on exporting advanced GPUs to China to maintain its AI leadership. However, instead of falling behind, Chinese engineers developed creative and innovative solutions to overcome this limitation. But the Chinese engineers proved this wrong. Since they didn't have access to high-speed GPUs due to restrictions, they came up with innovative and creative solutions to train AI models efficiently. DeepSeek is a major example of this breakthrough. DeepSeek is also an open-source AI model, which is a big deal. Most AI models today, like OpenAI's GPT, are closed and controlled by companies. But DeepSeek makes its research, code, and methods publicly available, allowing anyone to study or use them. This could reset the AI industry, making foundational AI models more accessible. Meanwhile, the US government is planning to invest $500 billion in AI data centers to maintain its leadership. The idea is that with more GPUs and massive infrastructure, the US can dominate AI. However, DeepSeek has proven that this strategy is not the only way. Instead of relying on expensive hardware, DeepSeek focused on software-level efficiency. By optimizing its algorithms, it achieved high performance without needing the most powerful GPUs. One major concern people have with Chinese AI companies is data security. If someone uses DeepSeek's official website, their data is processed in China. However, since DeepSeek is open source, users can download and run the model on their own devices. This means there's no risk of data being sent to China. If you Google DeepSeek's research paper, you can see exactly how the model works. Performance benchmarks also show that DeepSeek is as powerful as OpenAI's GPT models. In tests like math, coding, and general reasoning, DeepSeek performs at the same level as leading AI models. This efficiency comes from techniques like distillation, which makes AI models smaller and faster, and quantization, which reduces processing power needs. DeepSeek also uses a technique called quantization, which helps improve efficiency. Quantization reduces the amount of computing power needed by processing data in 8-bit instead of 64-bit. This means the model can run faster while using less memory and processing power, making AI more affordable and accessible. You can access DeepSeek on various platforms, such as AMA, or you can download and run it locally. If you are concerned about data privacy and don't want your information to be sent to China, you can simply download DeepSeek's DeepSeek-R1 model onto your computer. Once downloaded, you can turn off your internet connection and still use the model offline. Since it doesn't require a connection to a central server, there's no risk of your data being transferred anywhere. For those who prefer cloud-based AI solutions, DeepSeek is also available on Gro Cloud, a US-based AI hosting platform. Gro Cloud is currently hosting DeepSeek-R1, meaning users can run DeepSeek models without sending their data to China. This ensures that privacy concerns are addressed for users in the US and other countries. Iran Sass, the founder of Perplexity AI, has also confirmed that Perplexity is hosting the DeepSeek-R1 model and assured users that none of their data goes to China. This means DeepSeek is a safe and accessible AI model that can be used without concerns about data security. Many businesses, especially startups, struggle with the cost of AI services. OpenAI charges per 1,000 tokens, which can quickly add up for companies that rely on AI for customer service, content creation, or other business operations. With DeepSeek, companies can host the model on their own cloud servers or even run it locally. This eliminates high-usage fees and significantly lowers the cost of AI adoption. For businesses in developing countries, this is a major breakthrough. Many companies in Africa, South Asia, and Latin America cannot afford expensive AI solutions. Now, with DeepSeek, even businesses with tight budgets can adopt AI without financial barriers. DeepSeek is also shifting the balance in the AI race between China and the US. The US tried to limit China's AI growth by restricting the export of high-end GPUs, but China found smart ways around it. By focusing on software optimizations instead of hardware upgrades, China has made significant progress in AI. Whether you see this as a good or bad thing depends on your own beliefs and perspectives. But one undeniable fact is that this innovation is having a huge impact on the environment. Previously, training AI models used massive amounts of energy, to the point where power companies were even considering nuclear energy to keep up with the demand for AI computing. However, with DeepSeek's software-level optimizations, less energy is needed, meaning lower CO2 emissions and a positive environmental impact. This advancement reduces power consumption while still delivering high-performance AI models. If you are an engineer or data scientist, this AI revolution will create more opportunities. Since companies can now build AI solutions faster and at lower costs, they will need more AI developers and engineers to work on these projects. This shift will speed up AI adoption in businesses worldwide, making AI more accessible to companies of all sizes. The demand for AI experts, engineers, and developers will continue to grow. Stay tuned for more updates and have a great day.